Hello, everybody. My name is BTD.
And I am FEP. And I am BW. And I am FTA. And together we are...
Fame.
Right, y'all.
Bonnie the Dapper.
Yep, so Bonnie the Dapper, and then you saw him in the intro.
Hey everybody, my name's Dakota,
agree.
and check out my channel,
I do
FTA.
FTA.
He's a good person.
I'm gonna be making videos now, sir. Shut your mouth.
Alright, so, today, first of all, let's talk about Arthur saying...
Uranus.
Excuse my language. Can you cut that out?
What? If you say a bad word, I'll bleep it out.
I'm not allowed to say bad words. I'm a kid. Where's your camera on this? Oh, I see it. It's right there.
I hear you say the CRAP word a lot. Alright, so...
Wait,
What?
what?
That's not a bad word. It's just another word for poop.
Alright, so...
Nope, that's being edited out.
Yep, that's being bleeped. Every time
Hey,
you
try
say
to
it.
smell the bubbles. They're fruit
I...
punch.
No! No bubbles! He is allergic to bubbles!
Oh, jeez. Okay, so... Now we have two reactors. Let's see. So...
By the way, I'm new to this channel.
Yeah, Arthur said...
Uranus. Uranus.
We're
We're talking about the planet Uranus.
But... we thought of it something different.
Uranus.
And
Oh my god, you meant something else? Oh my god.
and we slowed it down. So it was
No.
Uranus.
Don't touch me.
Thing in here. I won't.
Your phone and stuff, that's yours.
Hold on, I want to see this. I'm a magic person.
Wait, what did that just say?
I'm gonna show them something. I make magic.
Hey.
See this? You see the hat? Sorry, that trick was failed. I'm gonna do it again though. The magic hat. It's so magic. You see this? I see that. It's golden with the green stripes.
Yes.
You see it? No, you don't. It's magic.
No, guys,
Thank
those are not special effects.
Goes a even blowing bubble.
Yep, these are bubbles.
It's muffin time. It's muffin time.
It's muffin time! He said
Uranus.
see, look at this. It's right there. Look at that
Uranus.
Uranus. Uranus. Uranus. Uranus. Uranus. Uranus. Uranus. Uranus. Uranus. Uranus.
I love you.
I love you.
I will never forget you.
93%, 95% processing. Do I need plastic surgery?
No.
My teeth are fine. I'm a good boy.
Talk to the Montrealis. My name is Pokes.
Hey, why are you drinking soda? No.
No. No, fam. No, not fam.
Have you seen Boss Baby?
Nope.
I have.
Yo, if you haven't seen Boss Baby, I'd recommend you see it. Really, really funny movie. This boy keeps...
No.
I'm not slapping you and kicking you.
Violence.
She doesn't know how to make a video.
I actually.
No,
I do.
you don't.
I make all sorts of.
I
videos.
do too.
I edit videos. I make animation videos. I don't know how to
Edit
make
your
videos.
videos.
I'm just kidding about you. He doesn't know how to make video.
Yes, I do.
Yes, he does.
I have like 16 videos.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Yes, he does.
You
Yes, he
suck. How long are you making this video?
As long as we want.
Make it an hour. It's
No.
one of those music videos that an hour long.
It's muffin time.
It's muffin time. It's muffin time.
Somebody kill me.
Ernest. Ernest.
At the end of his video.
Look.
At the end of his first first video, I told the camera to kill herself. She said, any last words before we end the video?
Kill yourself.
Kill yourself.
I say photos.